Are you guys ready for a world's first in the Cybertruck community? Well, let me tell you about this one right back here that we just finished customizing, starting off with wrapping it using Inosotech Super Gloss Metallic Film. This is a first for us and probably a first for most people within the Cybertruck community. The gloss black wrap that we did back in December and a couple times since has absolutely gone viral on the internet, making it the #1 choice color for a Cybertruck. But the metallic edition, as you can see, actually has a little bit of a golden flake to it, making it very special, very different. Almost looks a little bit brownish at times in the sun, and at night, definitely gloss black. Very special, something we've never done before. Then we went ahead and changed the wheels using our fully forged 22-inch CT7 wheels with some Falcon all-terrain Wild Peak tires. Completely changes the look of the Cybertruck. These wheels are fully forged. They're stronger and lighter than the original Tesla wheels. You use the original Tesla mounting hardware to go ahead and put them on, but you definitely need new tires, and they do accept the TPMS sensors perfectly. But this is something totally different, a whole new look, one size up from the stock 20-inch wheel and tire setup to 22s. I love it. Now let's talk about the window tint. There's so much glass on the Cybertruck that on those hot summer days, it's gonna get really warm inside. And using the 3M ceramic IR series film on all glass surfaces, including the massive windshield, the roof, the 4 doors, these little windows, and the little one in the back, if you go ahead and apply the film on all those areas, it will help cool the interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days, and give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and protect the interior. Now, let's talk about the interior. This is what I'm most excited about. This is the world's first. We have reupholstered the interior of a Cybertruck. Let's go inside and check it out. So as you know, a Cybertruck currently, if it's a foundation series, comes with a black vegan material on the seats and in most areas, and then a white vegan material on the inserts of all 4 doors and the lower dash. Well, the owner of this Cybertruck wasn't having it. He didn't like the white, which I have to agree, I don't think that really suits a Cybertruck. And he definitely did not care for the plain vegan black interior. And he chose Bordeaux leather. Check this out. I mean, this is completely different. I absolutely love it. It's super cool. As you could see, we reupholstered the front and rear seats using the Bordeaux leather hides. We went ahead and reupholstered all 4 door panel inserts and the lower dash panel, connecting everything together, now making this interior two-tone, black and Bordeaux. And with the black Alcantara headliner from Tesla, this is a really nice interior. So what do you guys think? This is the first Cybertruck with a whole new interior. What color would you have chosen? Do you like this Bordeaux color? I think it's pretty cool. Or maybe a different color. But I think we can all agree this is a little bit smarter and a little bit better looking than the standard black and white that came from Tesla. Now, when you're done wrapping a Cybertruck, especially if you're doing an interior, and because of all the nature of the different plastic panels that are on the truck, it is important to go ahead and protect your Cybertruck using Ceramic Pro coatings on the specific areas that you went ahead and customized. So, starting off with the exterior wrap, apply Ceramic Pro to help prevent wrap degradation, to repel dust and dirt very quickly and provide for an easy cleanup. Then use Ceramic Pro on all the lower plastic trims, the front and rear bumpers, the 4 wheel arches, the side skirts. This helps prevent fading, allows for very easy cleanup, and help prevent staining from oils and waters that come up off the ground. Then it gets applied to all the exterior glass so that you can go ahead and repel water very quickly and have for an easy cleanup. And when you have a beautiful interior like this, Ceramic Pro has a product to go ahead and help repel spills and dirt and staining. And at the end of the day, everything cleans up very quickly with a 5-year warranty. Very important to do Ceramic Pro, in my opinion. This truck is all done. The customer has been very patient. He's actually coming in from out of town to pick it up tomorrow. We cannot wait to show it to him. So we're gonna head back to the shop, put her inside, get ready for delivery first thing tomorrow morning, but I'm so happy to share this beautiful build with you all. Please leave some comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, if you love our Cybertruck content, subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more coming your way soon.